Personally, this bachelor's degree has opened up the door for me to just receive a 4-year degree because I am a first-generation bachelor's recipient. My parents and my grandparents, they don't have college degrees, and so it just makes me feel so proud that I'm gonna be the first one in our family that is gonna have a 4-year degree.
I really appreciated that Centralia College worked a lot with their students to provide scholarships and funding so that the student doesn't go into debt. And that was a huge aspect of importance for me because I really didn't want to finish a degree and then get into this never-ending cycle of having to pay off debt. So I really appreciated that aspect of Centralia College. Investing in a community, part of that investment goes into the young people and educating them to be knowledgeable about how the world is and how the world is changing. And I think that's a very vital place to be placing your investment in the community.
We have a lot of students in my cohort who are older and who also say that this opportunity wouldn't have been possible if our local college wouldn't have had this bachelor's program. And so I think it opens up a lot of doors for people who haven't gotten their degree. I graduated from CC when I was 21. I'm now 28, and I finally am going to get my bachelor's degree.
I definitely want people to know that bachelor's programs are a huge benefit and a huge blessing to have, especially in our community. I know a lot of people within the community were extremely excited to hear about the Bachelors of Applied Science programs and how they're offered here at the college. And I'm excited to see what the college does next in terms of the bachelor's programs.
It's going to open up so many doors. I'm going to be able to provide for my family and not live paycheck to paycheck.
Because Centralia and Chehalis and the greater Lewis County area is very rural in itself, I think having educated individuals in the workforce really is very important.
The jobs that are open and the doors that have been opened for us to get those jobs, just how much they've prepared us in becoming teachers, that we're going to have no problem finding jobs, especially in the community, because we have the community support of the teacher education program. Next year, I'm going to be at a school district somewhere in Lewis County or South Thurston County as a teacher. I'm just so thankful. This program, and Connie and Ann and Dave, without them, this wouldn't have been possible.